Welcome, Power Reboot. You are a power control engineer and the city is plunged into the 2003 blackout. Your mission is simple. Restore the power grid by stabilizing the current and optimizing system efficiency. Let's look at what you will be working with. The core is the main power grid board, featuring the turn board and watts board, where you track your current voltage with the red watts maker. Next to that, you have the building test board, which is used during final scoring. There's a 5 city card that explain which city is going to need how much voltage, and depend on the car, you have to fill out the requirements. For the core setting, we'll need 4 system override tokens on top of the main power grid board. This is going to be randomly set up on the square space. For the 1 overview card, this is going to be important for scoring later. These are the tokens you will need to play, and as long as you follow the instruction, you will see how many tokens you needed. We are going to set up the game. First step, you're going to put your watts marker down on the watts board. Second, you're going to start from turn board arrow from the number 1, and you're going to randomly set up 4 system card on the grid board, and you pick the card that you're going to play with. Now I'm going to show you how to play this game. While we are setting up, we pick the card. The player picked the bronze card, and now bronze card has all the information based on the city card set. The bronze card need to put 27 tokens inside the bag, and you just need to pull out 7 tokens randomly from the bag for the first round. After you pull out 7 tokens out of the bag, you're ready for playing. If player pull out before watts token, you're going to switch that to the 0 watts token. That's how she is doing. You're going to switch all token. Now the player has AC stabilizer token. She activate AC stabilizer token, put on the main power grid board, and now you can throw your overheat tokens out from the game. Now all the tokens get into the bag and shaky. You're going to switch your turn board arrow to 2, and now you're going to pull 8 tokens out of the bag. Once player pull out demonstration tokens are going to be out. And now you're going to switch all tokens upgrade for the next level. 0 token is going to switch to 1. Each turn when you draw your tokens out, you're going to increase by 1 watt after you increase the token. In here, since you increase the token, you're going to calculate as 1 plus 1 plus 1 watt is 3 watts. You're going to move watts token from watts board to 4 watts. Every new term, don't forget to move your turn board. You're going to pull 9 tokens out of the bag. Increase 0 watts token to 1 watt tokens. And 1 watt's going to be increased to 2 tokens. The player can decide if they're going to use insulator tokens with stabilizer token to get power backup tokens. You can use power backup tokens to remove power drain tokens. And now since there's 4 1 watts token and 2 watts token, it's going to be total 6. So now you're going to move your mark maker to the 10. You're going to put every tokens inside your bag and shaky, and you're going to turn your turn board, and now you're going to play a game. Every turn you have to increase 1 more tokens pull out from the bag. Once you're close to the target watts, you may want to finish your game. The player then decide whether to continue the recovery operation or end the operation. Once you decided to end the turn, you're going to randomly pull out 10 tokens out of the bag, and you're going to put those tokens into the buildings. Once your first set finished, you're going to write down on the score pad. Make sure you look at city card and overview card. The highest recovery score wins. Scoring is based on 4 categories. 1. Target voltage achievement. The closer you are, the more points you get. 2. Restoration material completion. Points for placing repair and system override tokens. 3. Technical bonus. for consecutive voltage levels on the building test board, like 3 consecutive. 4. Turn reduction bonus. For ending the operation before the maximum turns, remember. Subtract minus points for any negative tokens left. Sum it all up to get your final score and check your engineer rank. Good luck, engineer. The city is counting on you to stabilize the current and achieve the highest recovery score. Get your copy of Power Reboot today.